Hey there, it's Melissa with Big Universe Music, and let's learn Hotel California by the Eagles. Grab your guitar and let's get started. First things first, let's run through all of the chords that we use in this song. I love teaching this song to beginner guitarists because it uses a lot of different chords. First of all, we have to be able to play the A minor chord, the E chord. Now some people prefer to play the E7 chord. We're also going to use the G chord with the 2 fingers on string 1 and 2, fret 3. We'll use the D major chord, the F chord. I like to play the F chord with a small bar on string 1 and 2, first fret, my middle finger on fret 2, string 3, ring finger fret 3, string 5, and pinky fret 3, string 4. We'll also play the C chord, the D minor chord. You'll also need to know how to do something called a hammer-on. I play the hammer-on from the F chord in the song by lifting up my middle finger, playing the open 3rd string, and adding my middle finger back down. The strumming pattern we're going to do is a fast, sped up version of the island strum. It goes down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, on a dark desert highway. I'm sure there are a few different strumming patterns that would work for this song, but that's the one that I prefer to use. Now, the intro of the song is instrumental, and we do not strum or sing at that part. For that part, we're going to pick out some individual notes happening with the chord. The rhythm of it is interesting. It goes like this. So for that intro rhythm, I like to sometimes make up some words to help me follow along with what the rhythm of the single note should be. I'm not going to worry too much about explaining exactly which strings to pick. I will give you a close-up of that, but as long as you're fretting the correct chords, I'll give you kind of a general walkthrough. I'll say in the spirit of Hotel California, I'll say, I am opening a big hotel. I am opening a big hotel. I'm going to start on my A minor chord on one of the lower strings. I'll start on my A string and go toward the ground. So I'll start with I am open, going toward the ground, and back toward my face for ning, and then big through the chord, and then low, low for hotel. I'll say it with down, up, down, 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 up, chord, down, down. I'll try to explain it another way in case that didn't make any sense to you. I'll just call out some string numbers. So we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, chord, 4, 3. Then we'll change to the E chord and do the same thing. I am opening a big hotel. Then we'll do G. I am opening a big hotel. D chord. I am opening a big hotel. Next chord is F. I am opening a big. Here's our hammer-on, hotel. C chord, I am opening a big hotel. D minor, am opening a big hotel. E. Let me give you a close-up of my right hand, and I won't say the weird I'm opening a big hotel thing. Here we go. you can pick out the intro to Hotel California in a nice, simple way with that chord progression. We'll stay on that chord progression, but now we're going to change to our island strum. Our island strum is down, down, up, up, down, up. Here it is slowed down. We'll start on our A minor chord, down, up, twice, then E or E7, then go to G, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, then to D, F, C. I threw in the hammer on there. D minor. E. That's going to be the chord progression and strumming pattern for all of your verses. When we get to the chorus, we're going to start with our F chord. Still island strum, then go to C, then our E chord, then back to A minor, and then here's where I like to add this cool little walk up. And then land on the F chord. So to play that, I'm playing my open 5th string, 2nd fret of my 5th string, 3rd fret of my 5th string, then open 4th, 2nd fret of my 4th, and then F chord. Then we're back at our F chord. C chord. Now D minor. And E. And once you know those two parts, that's pretty much all of Hotel California. You can sub your little guitar intro in for the guitar solo in the middle of the song and try speeding it up. And see if you can play along with the original version or with some friends. Have fun practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.